Today we're going to do an experiment to calculate pi. The materials you need a piece of chalk and some string. At either ends of the string, tie a knot so that you can hold the chalk firmly at one end. You also need a pen or something solid for the other end, so you can make this the center of your circle. You're also going to need a measuring tape, scissors to cut your string, and some paper to do your calculations. I also am going to need a partner to help me do this experiment. First, have your partner make an X that is going to be the center of your circle. Have your partner put the pen and hold it in the middle. Then, very carefully, mark the edge of your circle. Now you have made a perfect circle by walking all the way around with this string as your radius. First, we're going to measure the radius. Okay. We're going to measure the radius of our circle that we have created. 79. Now mark on your paper that your radius is 79, okay? That is our first calculation. Next, we want to measure the circumference using a string. Do your best to line the string along the chalk line that you have drawn. Have your partner help you move one step at a time. Okay, now measure the string, or cut the string first. And measure the string with your partner's help to get your circumference length. If your tape measure isn't long enough, you can fold your string in half and then multiply by 2. You want to take the other end of the string?
One moment, please.
Yes. 252. Okay? The length of your circumference is 252. Now for our calculations. Okay. Ready? Okay. The radius value we measured was 79 centimeters. The length of the circumference we measured with our string was 252, but remember that we divided our string in two, so we need to multiply this number to get the true length. Okay? Now, the equation we use to calculate circumference is 2 pi r equals circumference. So let's solve for pi. Putting the numbers we found in the equation, 2 pi times our radius, 79, equals 252 times 2. See how convenient this is. We can cancel the 2's, and now we're left with 79 pi equals 252. Now let's divide by 79 to solve for pi. 252 divided by 79. And let's see what answer our experiment gets. 252 divided by 79. 3.189. Pretty close. The true value of pi is 3.14 approximately. So our experiment showed us the value close to pi. Another way to improve our experiment would be to take more than one test. In this experiment, we only measured one circle, trying out one length of a radius. If you want to get a more exact average, you can try multiple tests. For example, try 5 different lengths of string with 5 radiuses. And then with the calculations that you find, average them, and then you will get a more exact answer. Thank you so much for doing this experiment with us.